Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI Ad Action channel. Today we will continue exploring an all-in-one AI video creation platform, AI Studios, previously known as DeepBrain AI. This groundbreaking tool makes it easy to create content, save time, and enhance video quality. Let's dive into the standout features right from the interface. Here is the main interface of AI Studios. Right here you'll see the question, what will you create today? What do you want to create today? All tools are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Below is the Quick Start section with fast start functions like AI dubbing, screen recorder, import PPT PDF, custom avatar, URL to video, and series of videos. 1. AI dubbing. First, AI dubbing is an incredibly powerful feature that allows you to automatically dub your videos in multiple languages. You simply upload a video, and AI will automatically generate a natural voice and sync it with the visuals. This feature is very useful if you want to create videos for an international audience or save time on content production. I'll demo this feature in detail shortly, but for now, let's continue reviewing the other functions. 2. Screen recorder. Next, the screen recorder feature allows you to record your screen, your image, or both simultaneously. This is the perfect tool for creating tutorials, lectures, or professional presentations. 3. Import PPT PDF. Do you have a presentation ready and want to make it more engaging? Try the Import PPT/PDF feature. Simply upload your PowerPoint or PDF file, then add an AI avatar to present it directly. This enhances interactivity and captivates your audience. 4. Custom avatar. One of the most unique features is custom avatar, which lets you create a virtual avatar based on your own image. Imagine having a digital version of yourself, ready to present content anytime, anywhere. 5. URL to video. You just need to enter the URL of an article or content you want to turn into a video, and the URL to video tool will automatically transform it into a professional video. This is a fantastic solution to convert blog content, news, or announcements into videos in just minutes. 6. Series of videos. With the Series of Videos feature, you can automatically create a series of videos in the same style. This is incredibly useful for marketing campaigns or building educational video series. In today's video, we'll delve into a particularly powerful feature of AI Studios, AI dubbing. This tool helps you dub your videos automatically. Let's explore how to use this feature in detail, yet with ease. Step 1. Access AI Studios. To get started, visit the AI Studios website. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up with your email and password. It's quick and easy. If you already have an account, just log in, and you'll immediately be able to access the features of AI Studios. Step 2. Upload your video. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main interface where you can access different tools. Today, we'll select AI dubbing. To begin, upload the video you want to add dubbing to. Click the Upload Video button and select your video file from your computer. AI Studios supports most popular video formats, such as MP4, MOV, WEBM, and files up to 5 GB in size. Step 3. Choose your language. Next, we'll select the language for the video. AI dubbing offers a wide range of language options. Simply choose the language that suits your content and audience. Step 4. Synchronize audio with video. With AI dubbing, you don't need to worry about syncing the voice with the video. AI will automatically match the voice to the dialogue in your video. With just a few clicks, you can make your video more dynamic and engaging. In just a few simple steps, you'll have a professional video with automatic dubbing, without needing to hire voice actors or spend time recording. Conclusion. With AI dubbing from AI Studios, creating dubbed videos has never been easier. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business, this is an excellent tool to save time and enhance your video quality. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next videos about AI technology. Try AI dubbing today and share your experience with us. See you in the next video where we'll cover the screen recording feature of AI Studios.